Hello, everyone. So this is, I think, the right time to talk about what's going to happen next. So as you are seeing since last, I think December 20 onwards, we are talking about market trend and the overall market structure at a periodic level, like at a duration of, I would say, about 15 days or a fortnight, you can say. So here we have a chart of Nifty after yesterday's massive fall. Everyone was worried where this fall is going to take us or lead us, and how this market is going to pan out. Now we also saw a panic bottom in US market yesterday, and after that there was a huge recovery of around 1200 points overnight, and that kind of giving us a sense of relief as of now. And all we can see, the reason why we are recovering from these levels is pretty clear in front of you. If you see a Nifty 50 chart, I trust this Fibonacci retracement levels, and this Fibonacci retracement level is something very basic, something very simple, which tells us about right now we are at a 78% retracement, right? Though this is a 78% retracement, and from there the market is about to jump back. Okay, someone might feel that I should plot this from here to this high. Still we'll get a 78% retracement, and this is the bottom where 78% retracement is there, and from here we should see a bounce. Now what is the bounce that we can see? Overall this structure, in our last video we discussed about that we can expect a fall, and after this fall, as long as this low is not taken out, 16,406, is that correct? 16,410, this level, as long as this level is not taken out, we can rest assured that the market is not going to turn bearish, right? A hugely bearish. I'll just plot it here. So these were our target levels, and after this 18,134, we were trying to look for a bearish kind of a reversal. So that reversal took place within a very short span of time. We saw a huge fall, and after this huge fall, now because we are at this 78% retracement, so next bias should be bullish. We should see something which is called as a pre-budget rally. Now what is the hitch? The hitch is that we have a holiday tomorrow. So 26th of January is a holiday for us, and today if we see this reversal, I will be very happy if this reversal in form of a neutral candle or a small neutral candles on hourly time frame for the entire day, and market does not do anything after this. So it is not making, it's not going to make a new lower low, neither it is going to make a new higher high. So it should just remain stagnant for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and I'll be more than happy if that kind of action happens. If, because we have limited days, like tomorrow is a holiday, Republic Day holiday, so it may so happen that we may bounce up quickly. Let me share my today's view with all of you. Okay, so we'll go here. If people are already buying, yeah, my students, they are like very aggressive. They've already started buying, accumulating at these levels. I've also given them a suggestion to buy February options if they are intending to buy options. Now Nifty range may be 17,000 and 18,000, between 17,000 and 18,000. So the recovery has to be quick above 17,000. Also for Bank Nifty, it has to be above 37,000 and below 38,000. This is what the expectation is. So right now Bank Nifty is trading at 36,900 something, and Nifty is trading at 16,990. So pretty much at the bottom level. This can be a bottom, right? Temporary bottom, and from here market can rally. Now indices has given us decisive close with a rapid fall in what looks like a panic selling. Okay, so 17,507 and 36,000. Remember, these are the levels which are make it or break it level. I had mentioned that in my last video. The levels were broken end of the day yesterday. So this week the bias is more about, are we above or below these levels, which may define the course for this week. We may get new equity buy entries in a day or two. We'll discuss about the new equity buy or sell, buying things or buying signals in this particular video. Tomorrow we have a market holiday, so expiry is truncated as in short expiry, which means volatility may be high. So this is what my morning's message was, and apart from this message, there is always a message which is dedicated to that particular group. So we have a truncated expiry, so the target might be aggressive, as the time is limited. Yet I will be more than happy if today is a sideways day, which may give us a bullish trending day on 27th Jan. Right. So this is like something which is posted early in the morning before the market opens. So 8:32. The above statement is based on past experiences. It may so happen that we might get a bullish move today itself. Whatever is the case, we are ready with our trading setup. Avoid Jan positions as the time is limited. One may opt for February contracts instead. Okay. Is there anything else? No. I think that's it. This is what the message is. Right. So this was the message. Now this message was shared, and now we are seeing a very sharp pin bar in case of Nifty, and here in case of Bank Nifty, there's already a recovery that can be seen. Interesting. Now, if there is a recovery in Bank Nifty, which are the banking stocks that you're going to see? So in my opinion, I feel that the banking stocks that you should see are, first and foremost, I would say ICICI Bank. Look at ICICI Bank will be a good stock to trade. ICICI Bank from these levels. Now this is a fantastic recovery that is happening in ICICI Bank. And I think ICICI Bank, I have a target here. So the target for ICICI Bank is going to be around 873, 875, which will be a new all-time high. And this is very obvious that ICICI Bank might give us a all-time high. Secondly, HDFC Bank. In case of HDFC Bank, again, you can check here. This is a retracement, which is kind of a 78% retracement. And this retracement gives us conviction that the trend might reverse from here. So too many confluences at similar level. Just plot a target. Though it is laggard right now, so 1620 cannot be ruled out, and 16,000 will be one crucial level where we expect HDFC Bank to be. SBI stronger because there is no fall, there is no retracement. Big retracement is not there, so this can do wonders. And my target for SBI will be again all-time high likely, but 540 is something minimum that I'm looking at. Now these are the levels which are going to pop up in a day or two. Tomorrow is a holiday, so day and 2 means it is for the 27th of day. One more interesting pick that I have for all of you is the IDFC First Bank. Now IDFC First Bank, even though it is consolidated for a very long period, I don't know, there is something in the budget, something that's going to happen that I'm expecting with respect to budget. And my target for this IDFC Bank is around 56.95. So make a note of these targets, and these targets are expected around budget or maybe next week to the budget. These kind of banking stocks that I'm looking at. Now coming back to Bank Nifty. Now this is what our expectation is. This is the low that we saw yesterday, which is a panic low, and now today there is a buying happening. I don't expect a very euphoric kind of a rally today. Let's say if someone is creating a position today, then he might experience that the stop losses are getting hit. Even if he buys a bullish position, the stop loss is going to get hit. Even if he's buying a bearish position, is entering into a bearish position, the stop losses are going to hit. So this is going to be a very tricky day. And if this happens, trust me, if this happens, 27th will be a trending day just like this. This is a bearish trending day, and we should see a very huge bullish trending day here. Now, what is the target that we are looking at? After this rally, wherein we were looking at a target of 38,845. So market absolutely pinpoint accurately reached to our target, made a retracement. This is a healthy retracement as compared to Nifty. So the recovery in Bank Nifty will be quick, and Bank Nifty should set on a fire. It should be like a very fierce kind of a rally that we can see in Bank Nifty. So my target for Bank Nifty is 40,158. How do I arrive at this target? Simple. For all the troubles or all the challenges, Fibonacci is the only solution. I'll just lighten this so that it will not hinder our study. So I think still we can see this. And from these levels, if I just plot at a high, So this 40,166 is my target. Now this level is different. 40,158 is a different target, which we had plotted using our retracement. I think we had plotted this on the basis of the retracement thing. So this was a 78% retracement thing, this target. And now we have got this target of 40,166. In short, in this current rally, we are going to see a target of 40,000, period. Okay, so price is going to hit over there, and this will be the level. This is the level where we should start accumulating, we should start buying, and then from there the targets are going to zoom up. Banking stocks I have already shared with you. If Nifty has to move, so what are the stocks that we are looking at which are going to give us better move? Let's say I feel pharma is something that's going to give us euphoric kind of a move. So what are the stocks in pharmaceutical which I'm looking at are pharma. Okay, so what is a leader? Which stock is leader for the day? पहले वो देखते हैं. Cadila, Dr. Reddy, Lupin. So Lupin should be good. Lupin. So Lupin में क्या हो रहा है? Lupin right now we are looking at Lupin, and after a huge consolidation, Lupin is right now struggling here. Current price for Lupin is 927. Where do I see Lupin from here? Almost at a 52-week low level. ये 52-week low है. And from these levels, my target for Lupin is 1,000. Okay, so this is where I see Lupin. I think in this February, right? Not in January, but in February. So my target for Lupin. Then I would quickly look for Aurobindo Pharma. Now Aurobindo Pharma again showing a good kind of a recovery. This is a lower low in Auro Pharma, not a good sign. But even for Auro Pharma, the target, क्या होना चाहिए target? I'll have to plot a retracement because these will be the bigger targets which I am not expecting in a hurry. So क्या होना चाहिए? Put upside down. I want a target for a retracement, right? Quickly वो थोड़ा देख लेते हैं. So here I'm looking at a target of around 770 will be first target, and then 827. This is my target. This is where I expect Auro Pharma to go. Cool. एक महीने में थोड़ा quick action मिलना चाहिए. This is what I'm expecting. And finally, Divi's Laboratory. अरे recovery कर ले भाई. It's very necessary. Superb. So a fantastic recovery that we can see. Budget है. क्या budget है? तो budget से पहले इसका result भी है. Right? Just one day prior to budget, there is a result for Divi's Laboratory, and Divi's Laboratory पे our target is very aggressive. क्या aggressive target है? So cool. I am expecting a target of 4,400 as a first target. ये मेरा first target होगा 4,400. See guys, there is a lot of fall. I generally do not consider retracement as a good level to consider my targets. But then this is a desperate time because stock is already at a huge level. See, this is a huge opportunity on a monthly time frame. So I'm going to trade for this target of 4,600. ये मेरा target रहेगा, and this will be a very rapid thing with the result. It should do something exceptional, and we should see a very rapid rally in and around budget period. So be watchful about Divi's Laboratory. When we are talking about financials, तो financial में क्या है? Bajaj Holding वगैरह. Where is my Bajaj Finance? मेरा Bajaj Finance. So this is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, wow, showing a good sign of recovery. Again, now everybody must have understood this will be a 78% current retracement. Do you think it will be a 78% current retracement? Super. So 78% retracement rally should be good, rapid. एक हमें movement मिलना चाहिए. And what are the targets that I'm expecting? Targets for Bajaj Finance are first target will be 7,500, and again 8,000 will be my bet. I will 8,000. I'll be watching 8,000 very closely, and see once it has taken resistance at 8,000. Second time it has taken resistance at 8,000. Third time when it's going to hit this 8,000, I am expecting that it is going to break this level. राइट, इसे तोड़ के बाहर चला जाएगा, ये हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन है। यहाँ से अरे कहाँ गया, कम हियर, एंड नाउ फ्रॉम हियर इट शुड जस्ट गो हियर, इसे ब्रेक करके ऊपर जाना चाहिए। बट आर वी गोइंग टू प्ले अग्रेसिवली फॉर द नेक्स्ट टारगेट? नहीं, फर्स्ट विल प्ले फॉर 8000 का टारगेट। So we'll go slowly. 6,900 है, we'll first play for 500 points, that is 7,500, and after that we'll play for next 500 points, so 8,000 तक जाएगा। 1000 पॉइंट का रैली है यहाँ से, राइट? इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ ट्रेड, 2.5 लाख का ट्रेड है फ्यूचर में, and then from here we are going to see a big move, but you have to trust your setup, honor your stop losses and keep on trailing your positions. Don't think कि एक ही बारी में ये सारा 1000 पॉइंट लेना है। if you can do that, awesome, but even if you do it in 2-3 tranches, nothing wrong in it, ठीक है? I think इतने सारे स्टॉक, ठीक है, एक ही वीडियो बहुत लंबा खींच जाएगा। as for the multi baggers, so what is with multi baggers? तो मैंने multi bagger का वीडियो रोक के रखा है। the reason is, see, as long as we don't break out above this 18,604, I'm not sure about the bullish trend from here, right? So we'll be little cautious, और जब ये breakout करेगा, we get a confirmation कि हाँ यहाँ से breakout होने वाला है, we'll still buy those multi bagger even though we are going to buy them 10% higher than the current price. At that point in time, I'll give you my multi bagger का pick, but I need to be sure that the trend for indices is intact and it is going to make a higher high, right? So वो सब देखेंगे, but for now it's a very happy thing that market is recovering from here and we have to participate in it, right? All the best, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.